Hello kiddos, how are you? And how is your Lord Ganesha that you made from your mud? Are you doing its puja? Are you doing aarti? And laddu dete ho Ganesha ko? Are you enjoying your festival? And are you studying well? And I'm sure you are doing both the things, as I know you are CIS scholars. And I'm pretty sure that you do puja also and studies also. So let's start with our today's session, wherein we will see workbook, the remaining part, that is worksheet number 2 and worksheet number 3. Okay, likewise we will revise the chapter also. So starting with the concept of prime numbers. In prime numbers we saw that 2 and 3 that are known as consecutive numbers. एक के बाद एक आ रहे हैं, consecutive prime numbers. Okay, these are known as consecutive prime numbers. Prime numbers जो एक के पीछे एक आएंगे. Fine. The other prime numbers are twin prime numbers. Let's take the example, that is 3, 4 and 5. अब ये twin prime numbers क्यों कहा जाता है? Because 4 is in between, which is a consecutive number, and you have to erase this 4. Now these are twin prime numbers 3 and 5. And let's have some other example, that is 5 and 7 is also a twin prime number. 11 and 13 and 17 and 19 are also twin prime numbers, because बीच में एक consecutive बीच में एक composite number होता है. Fine. And what about 2? 2 is the smallest prime number. Remember this. I may ask you in the fill in the blanks or true or false or anywhere. Okay, this will help you further also. And I can say that 2 is only मतलब तो पता है ना, सिर्फ खाली 2 ही है जो even prime number है. सारे prime numbers तो होंगे ही, but even number होता है ना, वो खाली एक 2 ही है, और कोई prime numbers even नहीं होंगे, सारे odd होंगे. Okay, now open to your page 30, wherein you have worksheet number 3. You have been asked to have factor tree method for prime factorization. Okay, and I have divided, see, can you see this horizontal line? I have divided the whole page into 2 parts. So I am going to show you 2 methods. Either of one you can follow. Okay, I will solve the sum in the all possible manner. आपको जो पसंद है आप उस तरह से करिए. So the question is 1A 18. Now for the prime factorization you have the trick, that is smallest what? Smallest prime number से शुरू करना है. Yes. So 18 तो 2 के टेबल में भी आता है, 3 के टेबल में भी आता है. So we will start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. But here first I am going to start with 3. 2 वाला नीचे I will solve. Okay. So 3 here we will have 18 and 3 9 6 are 18. 6 we will divide it in further branches, that is 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now in the horizontal manner we will have 3 6 are 18 and 6 को break down करेंगे, 2 3s are 6. Now there is no further breakdown possible. So my sum is over. So I can say that prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. See, कुछ भी आगे पीछे लिख सकते हो, 2 टाइम 3 आना चाहिए एंड 1 टाइम 2 आना चाहिए, बिकॉज 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. ओके, नाउ लेट्स हैव द अदर पॉसिबिलिटी. 18 2 के टेबल में भी आएगा, सो 2 9s are 18 and 9 3 3s are 9. Some students prefer this, some students prefer this. Any of the thing you can do. Now we will solve horizontally. 18 का 2 9s are 18 and 9 का 3 3s are 9. So my answer will be the same. इधर से पकड़ो या उधर से पकड़ो, कान तो पकड़ना तो कान ही है ना. So answer will be the same. Okay. Now moving on to the short division method from the same page, that is worksheet number 3, wherein 2A I have taken, that is the number 16. Page number 30, worksheet 3, 16. Okay. Now as it is a short division method, you will use division. Yes. So 16 को सबसे smallest prime number से divide करना है. 16 2s are 8. Sorry, 16 divided by 2 will give you 8, because 2 8s are 16. I'm so sorry students. So 2 will be outside and 8 will be below. Okay. Now I will have to further divide 8. So 8 I will divide by 2 will give me 4. So 2 outside and 4 down. Yes. And 4 again I have to divide. 4 I will divide by 2 only because smallest prime number, and I will get the answer 2. So 2, 2 here, and again this 2 I will divide by 2 because I should get 1 as the answer to complete my sum. So here we complete, and I can say that the prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. See, all 4 times 2 you will write and you will check it. How? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So सारे 2 आ गए हैं. So 16 answer आ गया. Okay, so these are prime factorization. Now moving on to the next page, that is common factors, which is from the page number 29, worksheet number 2. Okay, common factors. क्या ढूंढने हैं? Factors जो common होंगे. So I have taken 2a as one of the example, that is find the common factors of the following, and we will have 3 numbers here. So the first number is 8. So first we will find the factor. Okay, factors क्या होंगे 8 के? 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and these are only the possible factors. So factors of 8 will be 1 2 4 and 8. Now the next number is 20. 20 के factors 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are, and 4 5s are, and that's the only answer, only possible factors. So we will have factor of 20 as these numbers. Okay, now the third number is 36. So 1 36s are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36. Yes, now there is no other possibility. Is there any possibility? Yes, 6 6s are 36. Yes, clever students, huh? Now we will have factor of 36 will be these numbers. Now I have found all the factors. I have to find common factors. Let's check out. 1 यहाँ पे, 1 यहाँ पे, and 1 यहाँ पे. 2 यहाँ पे, 2 here, and 2 here. So 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. Now I will have 8. So 8 is, it's not there. It's not one of the factor of 20. It's not the factor of 36. So 8 will not be the common factor. Fine. Either of the तीनों नंबर में से एक नंबर के तो सारे factors चेक करने पड़ेंगे. Okay. So my common factors for 8, 20 and 36 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay. With this, students, you have completed your chapter number 5 from your textbook and workbook. And I know you will do your exercise properly and check your answer by the solutions which I send you. Thank you.